First, make the physical connections. Plug the power cord into an outlet. Use an HDMI cable to connect the HDMI out port on the box to an HDMI port on your TV. Then, screw the coaxial cable from the wall outlet into the cable in port on the box. Optionally, for a more stable internet connection for on-demand features, connect an Ethernet cable. Once connected, power on the box and your TV. The Spectrum logo should appear on your screen, indicating it's initializing. For activation, use the Spectrum app on your smartphone or visit spectrum.net/activate on a computer. Scan the QR code on the box or enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Follow the prompts to link the box to your Spectrum account. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. If you run into any trouble, Spectrum's 24/7 support is available at 1-888-573-5377. With your box activated, let's customize your viewing experience. Press the Guide button on your Spectrum remote to access the main menu. Navigate to Settings or Preferences. Here, you can adjust the display resolution. Choose 1080p or 4K if your TV supports it. Configure the audio output such as Dolby Digital for optimal sound. You can also select your preferred language. Next, explore the DVR settings. Allocate storage space for recordings and, if available, set up cloud-based recording options. To manage content for different viewers, use parental controls to restrict content by rating, time, or channel using PIN codes. Finally, if you want hands-free control, pair the box with Alexa or Google Assistant for voice navigation. Keep in mind that Spectrum Arris boxes often integrate with streaming apps like Netflix and Hulu. As a tip, periodically check for firmware updates through Spectrum's portal to ensure optimal performance and security.